Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a lifted makeup look. Today by lifted, I'm going to show you a few spots where you can put your concealer to give your face a little bit of lift. Also where to place the contour to pair with the concealer to give you a more lifted look to the face. So it's quick and simple and easy to do. If you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. I'm excited to use my Hourglass concealer again. I just did a previous video on trying this out and check that one out. We're gonna do like a lifted look today using contour and highlighter, well, contour and concealer. So I'm just gonna show you where I would place my concealer and contour to give the face more of a lifted look. Great for us maturing women. So I'm just gonna go in and put a little bit of concealer in my inner corners first, and then use the beautiful Hourglass brush to blend that out. Just brightening up that inner corner. This one does oxidize down a little bit darker, so it's going to start out pretty bright and then just blend in really nicely after, but still give a subtle highlight and does not crease under the eye. Wore beautifully for the rest of the day. So mature skin, this one is the best. I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer in light medium. I am gonna go in with a smaller domed brush to give me more precision and just easier to kind of get more definite and defined looks using a smaller, more dense brush. So we're just gonna dip into that, and I'm just gonna start placing a little bit of contour bronzer right around my temple area where it's a little bit more hollowed out, but there is brightness there. So I kind of just want to defer some of the attention away from this area. Just popping it right there. Now going in with my concealer, I'm just going to dot a little bit of that right above where I put that contour, right in line with the arch of my brow to give some lift up there. Draw the attention upwards and create a highlight that's going to just give the lift there instead of drawing it back where the lightness was here. Just kind of shifting it more to that arch in my brow to give more of a lift there. I'm going to go in again with the contour concealer or contour bronzer and just start buffing that under and on top of the cheekbones. Just go up around the hairline as well. Then we'll do right behind the ear, or right behind that part of the jaw. Some on my chin. I will go in with the concealer. I'm just going to dot a touch of concealer right here, brightness. going outward, right underneath where I put my contour, and on the outer corner of my lip. And when I blend it, I just kind of want to guide it upwards. So you have that depth right there. And then getting lift from the outer corner of the eye. And you can see that accentuated lift on this side of the face versus this side of the face. So now that we have that all mapped out on the face, we are getting lots of lightness and brightness and liftedness. Just want to add a little bit of color in there. So I'm just going to pop some bronzer, kind of sandwiched in between the contour and the highlighter. Keeping the brightness in around the nose. Just putting a little bit of warmth right in here, but keeping that brightness by the eyes, and just warming up the neck. A little bit of flesh on the cheeks. I'm going to go in with Milk Makeup in the shade Work. So this is a lip and cheek cream wand, and I'm just going to pat that around the apples of my cheeks. Just kind of following the shape, leaving that area bright still. Just kind of going in a circular motion around the apples of my cheeks. Come up a little bit higher, right underneath that line. Put a little bit on the lips too, actually. Some mascara on, tight lined as well. I've been getting back into tight lining my eyes. Just makes a more finished look for my lashes especially. And yeah, this is the final look. A really nice, light and bright, airy look. You just feel a little bit more lifted in certain areas. So easy, quick spots to kind of pop that lighter concealer just to give you a more lifted look to your makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.